Hi guys, welcome back, and it's Millie, and today I'm going to be doing my updated makeup organization slash collection. I did get these new drawers. I've been using my stuff out of like a makeup bag for a while, but I do want to switch it onto one of these so I can grab it and just use it. But I'm going to put it all in here for my everyday. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. Here are my brushes. These are my everyday. That's what I mainly have. I separated it all. Here's my makeup bag. I have a mini mini fan and all like the random skin stuff. I have no clue. I'm debating on whether or not to throw this away, but I used to use this almost every day, but I guess it lost its glue. And I can't glue it back because it won't stay to like the metal and stuff like that. I also have the Q-tips and I need to put more in here. Also have some candles as well. I also have like random stuff laying around. This was on top, but I put it down because it was just in the way. We're good. And this is the skylight that works, but at the same time I have not used it. Containers that I got from Costco, by the way. I don't know if they have them anymore, but I'm gonna put them right here. I think I'm gonna put away the candle somewhere else, and I'll put this here. I do like the Fenty blurring tint, which I love. I want to use more of the Say this summer. I use some of these eyeliners. Like this one, I don't use anymore unless I can try. Oh, it does work. Guys, it does work. Like, look at that. Next, right here. These are gonna be over here. This is all freaking lash stuff that I can't get rid of. And then here's some glue. And here's some glue. This one I have not tried. This one's the all black one. And then here's where I have my lashes that are getting cleaned in makeup remover. Okay, I might have to clean some of these out because I don't know why I do this to myself. Like this is all fine right here. But this? What is this? What is this here? Okay guys, I'm gonna put back like the other stuff. The new stuff, or semi-new that I haven't opened. These are one of my favorites. Okay, so I forgot to also put my lip liners. I'm gonna put them here. I'm not gonna take them out. I have not used some of these in forever, and they're kind of just sitting, which is sad, and I want to use more of them, but I just don't really use any of these stuff anymore. It's still the same, honestly, so I'm not gonna touch that. This I'm gonna kind of touch. I'm gonna put it in right next to each other, just like that, so it fits. Awesome. We're gonna put that one right there. I don't use this, so we're gonna give that away. Here is another Fix Plus, another spray. I don't know why it's so dirty, it's so annoying. These I don't use. I give them away. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take them out. This is the Big Puff. I love it. I'm gonna put it out because it gives me glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. There's nothing on my skin. I feel like I'm showing too much, but it's my channel, it's whatever. You guys, I don't know if you can see that. I have to get my camera and show you guys, but there's glitter. I love this thing. Love it. So these are like little under eye patches right here when I need them. These are makeup removers or for the lips, and then here are the little skin masks. Now we're on the last one. I have nowhere to put this. These are my Charlotte Tilbury refills. I might take them all out, but these are all like nail stuff. This is a makeup everyday remover. I should take that one out, but I'm not gonna touch this one because I'm gonna do probably a separate video on this for nails. And here are my like bronzers and blushes. I'm gonna take this out. These are the KKW makeup that they don't do anymore, so that's gonna be right here from the top. This is fine. This is all like refills. There's all my concealers on the side. And then this is all fine right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with this compartment. I'm gonna put this one. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. No, so I forgot to put stuff up here. I don't know. So in this big one, hopefully this fits. Oh, it does. Okay, now we're gonna do this bad boy. Then it looks. I don't really know where to put this, but we're just gonna leave it here. Right. So that is it for my updated slash organizing makeup collection, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be loving this. I'm just going to drag it and put it to my desk. So that's all for today's organization for my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and like and subscribe, and also go follow my Instagram. It's linked down below in the description box, and I hope you guys have a good one. Love you guys. Peace.